Hey guys, today I'm going to grill some chicken thighs. So let's get queuing. I've got some organic chicken thighs here. These were $4.99 per pound, 1.87 pounds, so these were $9.33. A little bit pricey, but I kind of like this organic chicken. Tastes pretty good, so I buy it once in a while. So anyway, I'm just going to, these feel pretty good. I'm not going to bother rinsing them. So I got a new rub I've been using. This is called Andy's rub. I bought this at the store in front of me, Andy's Produce Market, but I don't think they make it. They just sell it. This is actually made in Gilroy, California. So the ingredients in this rub are sea salt, spices, dehydrated garlic and onion, sugar, dehydrated parsley, garlic powder, cornstarch, dehydrated lemon peel, and then a few things just to prevent caking and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm just going to season this chicken up pretty good on both sides with this rub. I've tried this rub on several different things. I didn't know if I liked it too much at first, but it's really good on chicken. So I'm going to do this chicken with it. We'll do both sides here. And this is available on Amazon as well. I don't know. I'm in Northern California, so I don't know where all it's sold, but like I said, I bought it at the store right in front of me here. So anyway, we'll just get all these seasoned up on both sides here, and then we'll get the grill lit. I'm going to use my gas grill for this. I've had this little Weber Q1200 gas grill for about 3 years now, and I like it a lot. It's holding up good. But the last couple times I used it, I noticed it wasn't getting very hot. And so I noticed that some of the holes were plugged up in this burner. This is a cast, or not a cast iron, but a stainless steel burner, so it's holding up pretty well. Some of the cheap gas grills I've bought in the past, you really couldn't clean the burners because they would just rust out and fall apart. But what works pretty good is just take a safety pin like that and you know, find the holes that are plugged up and just, you know, stick it in the holes and just kind of clean them out. That works pretty well. All right, looks like we're looking pretty good here. So now I'm just gonna, it has cast iron grates. These are coated too so they don't rust. They're pretty dirty. I need to clean this whole grill a lot better, but I don't feel like doing it right now. So I'll just get the grill grates on there and just brush them off when the grill gets warm. So let me go ahead and get it lit here. It has an igniter, so see if it works still. Oh yeah, it lit up. So we'll let that warm up for a few minutes and I'll brush it off and then we'll get the chicken on there. Grill's been warming up for about 10 minutes or so, so now I'm just taking a brush and cleaning the grill grates off. These coated grill grates are nice because they don't rust, and the cast iron holds the heat really nice. Now I'm just going to take a oily paper towel. I soaked it with some cooking oil and just kind of wipe it off just to get it a little cleaner, and also a little oil keeps the chicken from sticking. That looks pretty good. Now I'll just go ahead and get the chicken on there. I guess I'll start it out skin side down first. Doesn't really matter either way. And I have the grill on low right now, so I'm just going to try cooking these on low. And we'll get the lid down and let them cook for a while. It's been about 20 minutes. So let's see how we're doing here. The grill's running about 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, look pretty good. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, we'll flip them over. That sugar, I mean that rub has a little bit of sugar in it, so it might be burning just a little bit. Makes it a little bit dark, but not bad. Okay, I'll let them cook on that side for a while. It's been about a half hour total, so let's see how we're doing here. I think this end of the grill tends to be a little bit hotter than this other end, so I'm going to move this bigger piece down. I'm going to move these smaller pieces over. So we'll put those on the hotter end there. These are a little bit smaller, so we'll move these over here. And we'll let them go just a little bit longer. It's been about 5 more minutes, so about 35 minutes total. Now chicken you want cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit minimum, but dark meat like legs and thighs, you can go higher, up to like 200 actually, and it's usually fine. So that big one right there is 200. See what this one is. That one's 212. So we're done. I'm going to go ahead and shut that off right there. Don't want to dry them out, even though dark meat doesn't dry out too bad. And I'll get them off of there. These have been resting for about 10 minutes or so. Let's cut into this big one right in the front here. See how it looks. That looks pretty good. I'll take a little piece of that. Oh yeah. I hear Annie going nuts over there. Let's try a bite of this. That's good. I like that rub on chicken a lot. Looks like Annie's ready to try it. You want some, Annie? Are you hungry? All right, here we go. Inhale. So like I said, I've had that little grill for a little over 3 years now, and it's holding up nicely, and it does a nice job. It cooks really well, and it's small, so it doesn't take much gas for, you know, just one person like me. It's in my Amazon store. I'll put the link in the description. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.